As we reported, healthcare stocks dragged the market lower today. Shares of insurers, drugstores, drug distributors, they all fell. The decline was in response to a new venture that could disrupt the industry. And as Bertha Coombs reports, the venture is the brainchild of three of the biggest names in American business.
Calling rising healthcare costs a tapeworm on the economy, Amazon's Jeff Bezos, Berkshire Hathaway's Warren Buffett, and JPM CEO Jamie Dimon say they're joining forces to simplify their employee benefits using technology and to try to drive down health costs. The news seen as a shot across the bow to insurers.
With Amazon in play, it reflects an almost evangelical faith that people have that they can disrupt established business patterns in the way that they've done in many other industries. I think we really need to see some more details.
It's still in the early planning stage, but what could make this different from other employer cost-cutting initiatives is that the firms are forming their own company. The question is whether they'll try to save money by knocking out the middlemen who negotiate hospital networks and prices and pharmacy benefit contracts with drug makers.
I think that those who are selling their shares in healthcare stocks are reading this all wrong. The middlemen here have an interest that is aligned with the employers. They are the intermediaries with the healthcare providers. And the main problem with healthcare these days is the fact that costs and quality are not aligned.
In fact, healthcare firms hailed the news. Aetna and CVS, which want to merge their insurance and pharmacy into an integrated health clinic service, both said they'd welcome the chance to help the firms with the new business model. Until now, the fear had been that Amazon would enter healthcare as a competitor to these services, but combining with other employers would still put the tech giant in a position to exert pricing pressure on the healthcare industry.
The best results that we've seen have come from jumbo employer efforts, from them either teaming together or doing pilot projects on their own to prove that something is a good idea, and then everybody else gets in line and adopts similar approaches.
It's not clear how soon the new company will launch or where it will be headquartered, but with tech giants like Apple and Google also focused on healthcare these days, industry players are very much bracing for continuing disruption. Bertha Coombs, Nightly Business Report, New York.